So I have been on a taco kick lately, and I know I just recently posted about ones that I tried from Thrive, but these are the winner. It isn't necessarily a bad thing, but it is a common allergen for people. So even if you don't know you're allergic to it, sometimes we do have sensitivities, so you have mild reactions. So for me personally, I just choose to use alternatives, and this is primarily cassava flour, Siete brand. They also make really good chips, salsa. I mean, they honestly can do no wrong. They're a little brittle, but that's why I always suggest lining the shell with either butter, lettuce, or romaine on the inside, and that way it kind of reinforces the shell. So tonight's pasta is going to be kind of like a fettuccine alfredo. I usually use Jovial. They also have a really good egg noodle that is like an actual Alfredo noodle, but I'm using this tonight. And then nutritional yeast, coconut milk, pink salt, parsley, and garlic powder. And what's great about this is Eloise is going to be able to partake, because usually I fix food for both of us. Obviously I opt out of the salt, garlic powder, and parsley for her, but nutritional yeast is actually really good for dogs, and then they can also have this in small amounts. This is where I know people get annoyed with my cooking tutorials, but then you just add your coconut milk. I'm not going to put this all in. Coconut cream is actually ideal because it's smoother than that. I know that looks so gross, but I promise it's... So now I'm going to add my nutritional yeast. If you're not familiar with this, it's a really great cheese alternative, especially for people who are vegan. It's great just to add a little bit of flavor. It's really high in B vitamins. It's high in iron and protein, so it's a really great superfood just to like sprinkle in anything pretty much. I mean, it's great on vegetables as well.